Hey everyone, if QuickBooks is giving you an import data error and your files aren't uploading properly, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step fixes so your data imports smoothly and without errors. First, make sure your file is in a compatible format. QuickBooks usually supports CSV, EIF, or Excel files, so check your file type before starting the import. Next, review the data in your file. Empty fields, extra spaces, or incorrect column headers are common causes of import errors, so clean your data carefully before importing. Open QuickBooks and use the import tool properly. Go to File, then Utilities, then Import, and follow the prompts. Make sure each field is mapped correctly to prevent errors during the process. Ensure QuickBooks is updated to the latest version. Outdated software can sometimes fail to import data correctly, so check for updates first. Verify that your file isn't too large and that your network connection is stable. Huge files or weak connections can cause the import to fail mid-process, so split large files if needed. If errors still persist, open the QuickBooks Tool Hub and select Company File Issues. It can automatically detect and repair problems related to importing files, saving you time and effort. And finally, if none of these steps work, contact QuickBooks Support. They can troubleshoot tricky import errors that you can't fix manually. So yeah, those are the fastest ways to fix QuickBooks import data errors. Follow these steps carefully and your files should import correctly without issues. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more QuickBooks tutorials for fast and easy solutions. Hey everyone,